Bumper clap for Swift. Bumper clap.
Lagay sa alma.
Nakakaon ka makanan ka cake. Kada ka na nakakaon. Hi, Kat! Welcome to my documentary for our finals. After 1 week, because of Bagyong Tinoy and Juan, what can you say? Ang pagbabalik. Oh. Hi, Shell.
Hello!
Isa din kasubong.
Ay ko sa may...
Hoy, hindi maglagan.
Hello, vlog. It's her 20th birthday. 2-0. 20 na yan siya. 20 na yan.
20 na ako, guys. Ah! Still.
We're out to buy sandwich and in the morning. Ay. So I think it's we're at Villa.
Iboy, nagkakunay ka pa sa akon?
This is my Nene Erica.
Hi.
Look, she looks so good.
Really? Thank you.
Yes. This is my this is my babe. And then this is Princess or Jaya or Chimi. I call it Chimi.
And we have our boyfriend.
We have our boyfriend. Iboy, please say hello.
Yes. Our boyfriend.
Please say hello.
Yes. And lovely hubot. It's February 3. A.m. in the morning. I'm getting sleepy, so I'll probably take a nap now. I decided to just do my presentation here on boarding house because I'm running out of time. Yeah. It's so hot. It's 30 degrees outside. Huwag katapos! Activity 0. And here we are again with the groupings. No one wanted to be in group with us. We're best. I saw this coming, but I was secretly hoping and praying that she won't leave me in this month, because why it always happens at this month? March, what's with you? No? But yeah, I don't really know what to feel right now. Yes, I'm in pain, but I don't know why I can't cry enough. Maybe because I started detaching weeks ago, since yeah, say something.
Video ka?
Yeah. What do you want to say to anyone today?
Hi.
Hi.
Yan lang. Hi. Cash development kami.
I cannot believe I don't want to send this video anymore. But my outfit looks so okay. So I'll just watch this video by myself then. It's March 15, 2025, and my hair is getting longer. And I have a midterm exam tomorrow. I hope it will turns out well. I mean, all of my exams. This past few days, last week, I just got my heart broken. It didn't turn out well for the things that I hope it would. I don't know. I don't even want to think about my midterm or even wish for it because I don't want to be disappointed anymore. But my hair is getting longer. My hair is getting longer. Look. I'm thinking of letting it grow. Pero may ano bang next week?
Yummy! Isa pa.
Video na lot.
May sala ko na dyan.
It's 11:59. It's midnight actually. I'm still not done with my project.
Hello, ma'am.
It's about done. I think you know. Okay na pala.
Gusto mo spotlight? Naka-stoplight mo ta.
And I try to find out there's one thing it's true that you're nothing without you. I know better now, and I'm glad I changed up. I'd rather have back down to you than you down to someone else. I'd rather be beside you.
4 a.m. I'm going home to explore province.
Reaches past the present, transforming memory into shared experience. Each serving carries echoes of endurance, love, and community. A testament to the new spirit of Cavite.
Hello guys, we're at the Palm Coast with
Hi guys.
What?
My birthday is April 26.
and we're at
Here are the beach.
the beach.
Amo daw na sao, no?
Din.
Sao.
So it's April 28, 2026. I just cried because I feel so freaking horrible right now. Like everything's not going in my way. But I don't know. I literally freaking don't know how to help myself. I just feel so horrible right now, and I don't understand why I'm going through this again. It's like what I've been through last year.
We are now, in the zone of Jenga.
Figuring it out, how can we balance this?
Us in our little town.
Oh my God, I'm so pretty, ba?
Finally. We're done with our last exam. For second year.
Last balik sa school.
Second year.